Hello guys, I have an amazing surprise for you. We have a complete bag GHD. His name is Bhairav and today we are here for training him. Let's go check him out. He is a beautiful beast. Yeah, he's wet. No. Hi. How was the party yesterday?
All good. I don't know. I mean, he was awake till 5:30 in the morning.
Oh, nice. How was he with friends?
He gelled very good, and the main thing, the improvement that I've seen is, I remember I was showing you a dog yesterday,
Yes.
who I said was aggressor.
Yes.
This fellow today, after coming back, when he barked, this fellow tried to give him a chase.
Okay.
Otherwise, usually he would just stand still whenever he barks and just look at him. But today he tried to chase him.
So his confidence has increased.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay.
And I took him out yesterday for a walk after I went to Moinabad. And most of the time he was, following me like how we did yesterday in the morning.
Yeah.
So he was following me, and when I gave the sound, he was coming back to me.
Yes.
And the recall was also much better.
Nice. So we were able to achieve all this in one session.
Yeah.
By the way, guys, this is Sumit. That's Bhairav. And Sumit is a parent of 3 beautiful dogs, 2 Indies and 1 German Shepherd. And we had one session yesterday where we taught Bhairav how to be calm, and at the same time we introduced leashless walking under distractions with other dogs and on roads. You will see, we will do the same thing again today. Yesterday when I came, he was all excited,
Yeah.
right? His excitement level today is, I would say, 10% of what it was yesterday.
Yep.
The only reason I was stepping back again and again, I'm wearing white and his paws are wet.
Yep.
Apart from that, is he used to hold hands and everything. That is still there, but I think it's much better.
Yesterday with my friends, his excitement was much better after I took him out for walk. In the
Yes.
same fashion, like what the few
First
tips.
15 minutes you went on a walk.
Yeah, the tips that you shared, right?
Yes.
Based on that, I took him out for a walk, and when my friends came in, the jumping was very less
Okay.
compared to the usual level of jumping that he would do.
Nice. Okay, we'll start a walk. At the
Yeah.
same time, we'll be talking.
Yeah.
Yeah. I would like you to first fix the collar. Bring it as up as possible, as close to the ears as possible, and as close to the jaw line as possible. Now tighten it straight up. That will work. Okay. The same thing we are gonna do first leash walking. We are gonna make sure he is walking beside us. After one round, we are gonna let him go free.
Okay.
He cannot walk in front of us. So whenever he is walking in front of us, you make the sound shh, or you say no, or
Right.
you say vaddu, whatever you want to say. But
Okay.
please don't repeat the same command more than 2 times.
Yeah. Okay.
If he doesn't, if you said no 2 times, then you will say not 2 times. Then you will say
Okay.
shh 2 times.
Okay.
Right? So we are not
Seems-
going to repeat the same command. The reason
Right.
for that is he will start ignoring that same command.
Yep.
Hey, he's walking brilliantly. So before yesterday, we had 2 sessions when he was very young.
Yeah, he was an infant.
He was an infant. He was less than 3 months, 4 months old when I came and met him first time.
Yep.
Now he is 7, 8 months, right?
7 months.
7 months.
Okay.
What is the difference you felt before yesterday's session and today? So yesterday we had a very concentrated session which went on for 2.5 hours,
Yep.
right? Where we controlled his leash walking. We made him introduced to leashless walking. Now when yesterday we spoke, you said he pulls a lot.
Today I'm seeing he's so composed and sorted in his walk.
Yes.
Otherwise, he's usually very distracted and pulling around in multiple directions. but today I'm seeing he's like
Walking perfectly. You don't have to
Yeah.
put any effort.
no effort. And in fact, yesterday when I was taking him out for a walk in Moinabad, also he was doing the same.
Okay.
He was sniffing around, but then I don't see him distracted like before.
Nice. Why do you think that has changed?
After the session,
Yes. So
and
we did a session जहाँ पे I explained you everything about his understanding on a walk, right?
yeah,
So you think did Bhairav change? You think you changed? If you changed, what changed? If Bhairav changed, what changed?
I changed mainly after the tips that you know shared yesterday about how to handle him, and I think because I changed, he also changed.
Yes. So आप में क्या changes हुए? Can you please tell something?
Yeah, earlier I used to just take him out for a walk in the usual way, एक leash डाल दिया, and then I just had to take him out for a walk for his outside time. But yesterday I was trying to put effort into understanding him, and then एक तरीके से जो आपने समझाया वो चाइल्ड साइकोलॉजी टाइप का डॉग साइकोलॉजी
Yes.
उस तरीके से आई काइंड ऑफ changed my way of handling him, wherein stop being repetitive. Second, to kind of trust him and then not being overprotective.
Yes. Protection. Always waiting to stop him from before making him before he making a mistake.
Exactly.
गलती करने से रोकना था आपको. And yesterday आपकी बॉडी में और आज की बॉडी में within this little time I am walking with you is yesterday you were more conscious कि भैरव क्या कर रहा है.
हाँ.
आज नहीं हो आप.
Okay.
आज आप ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंट लग रहे हो. हाँ ठीक है, ये है, चलेगा, चलते रहेगा. I'll try to notice this more in this session. लेकिन
Thanks for the feedback.
yeah. अच्छा, did the amount of pampering reduce? जिस तरीके से आप pamper
Yep.
करते हो वो
I
reduce?
am very conscious now to not over pamper him
Okay.
and only reward him
Only
reward him when he's doing something good.
nice. And the amount of reward?
It's just
Reduce,
the pamper.
right?
Yeah.
Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. बस बस. This is one thing we are still to control.
Yeah.
पैम्पर
yeah.
करे तो ओवर एक्साइटेड हो जाता है, उसके बाद वी हैव टू कंट्रोल हिज एक्साइटमेंट. तो बेसिकली द रीजन आई वाज पैम्परिंग हिम इज भैरव का और एक चीज़ है, वॉक्स पूरा 2 घंटा कर लो, घर जाके सुसु पॉटी करेगा. अभी उसने पॉटी की तो आई एम जस्ट रिवॉर्डिंग हिम एंड दैट इज वन ऑफ द टारगेट्स वी हैव फॉर ट्रेनिंग हिम, राइट?
No.
तो one of the reasons he could be so calm today compared to yesterday is he is awake till 5:30 a.m. एनर्जी इसको ऑलरेडी लो लेवल पे है.
Low level पे है.
अगर डॉग का एनर्जी लो लेवल पे रहेगा he will be so cooperative. A tired dog is a good dog.
Okay.
So probably that is also helping. Yesterday's session helped us in the evening to
Yep.
keep him around
Yep.
your party with your friends and everything where
Yep.
you were outside the town, and he performed really well.
Yep.
I would request you to do this more.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
जितना आप इसको बाहर लेके जाओगे, लोगों के साथ डिफरेंट एनवायरनमेंट्स में रखोगे, उतना एक्सपोजर आप उसको दे रहे हो, एंड ही इज लर्निंग इन दिस सिचुएशन, दिस इज हाउ आई बिहेव.
Okay. Okay.
And you get more opportunities, and since he is only 7 months old, the learning is faster than a 2
Right.
years old dog.
Right.
तो ये एज में आप इसको रेस्टोरेंट्स लेके जाओ, ऐसे
Okay.
गेट टुगेदर्स लेके जाओ, फार्म्स लेके जाओ, लॉन्ग ड्राइव्स पे लेके जाओ, ट्रैकिंग एंड एवरीथिंग.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
Like, if you can take him for your bike rides also. There is one German Shepherd जो खाली बाइक पे घूमता है पूरा इंडिया.
I've seen him. वो पीछे क्राडल में बैठ के
पूरा इंडिया घूमता है वो.
Yeah. Yeah, I want to take him for camping. Probably sometime this next 2-3 months I'll take him for camping.
That would be nice. ठीक है. So for today's session, what do you want us to cover?
a revision of yesterday.
Yes.
And then kal one of my friend wanted to play fetch with him,
Uh-huh.
but this fellow is randomly picking up the ball, taking the ball with him,
Okay.
kind of not getting it back.
But he is motivated in the ball.
Not 100%,
Yes.
but 8 out of 10 times.
Nice. Good start.
Yeah.
तो बॉल लेके वापस लाना है.
हाँ,
ठीक है. So उसके लिए फर्स्ट वी हैव टू परफेक्ट रिकॉल.
right.
तो
Okay.
अपन आज अभी रिकॉल पे स्टार्ट करते हैं.
हाँ,
We'll
leash
let him leashless now.
Okay.
No, we'll keep the leash.
We'll keep the leash.
He is
Okay.
under training, no?
Okay.
So whenever a dog is under training, we have to make sure that we have some protective gear.
Okay.
तो अगर अपन लीश वैसे ही छोड़ देंगे, it will be easier to catch him if anything goes south.
Okay.
तो
Okay.
गलती होगा तो ऐसा नहीं, तो छोड़ दीजिए.